immunity decreases with aging. But there are some centenarians who are 100 years old, come with strong immunity. There are two age groups with relatively low immunity. They are the young children and the elderly. The newborns and infants' immune system are immature. The elderly have an aged immune system, which is referred as immune senescence. The majority of the centenarians, however, don't have the immune senescence. Their immunity, which are evaluated in the laboratories, are even stronger than the younger adults, not mentioning the other elderlies. The average functions of the immune cells, such as B cells and T cells, in centenarians are stronger. In terms of their immunity, most of the centenarians are indeed superhumans. Since cancer is the second major cause of death in the older age group, and cancer immunity is an important function of the immune system, there are normal cells turning into cancer cells in our body every day. And these new cancer cells are being eliminated from our system all the time. As centenarians, the immune system in their body not just defend them against the virus, bacteria, also the cancer cells. What can we learn from the centenarians? One may say, their genes are good, we can't copy their genes. The fact is that centenarians don't always have centenarian children, even though they pass their genes, lifestyle, and dietary habit to their children. We can always see somebody with good habit with diet and exercise, but for some reason got cancer all of a sudden and passed in a few months. So diet and exercise are not everything for immunity. A not so good practice is that an old person who likes to go swimming in the river in the summer, the chance of melanoma is high, not just because of old age, white person, or UV exposure. It's the coldness and dampness in the body that coordinate with the coldness in the water and generate an even colder mass in the body, which is a tumor. The good practice is to have a hot water pool nearby so that alternate temperatures of water are available, or just swim in an indoor pool with warmer water. In Chinese medicine, the viruses and bacteria that cause pandemic also have energies. Our body's defense system, which is immunity, needs to be capable of defending different kinds of energies of invasions. The viruses that initiate in the colder seasons, like the COVID-19, are of negative energy. If one's body is negative in energy dominated, they are easier to get sick when they get infected. But for those with good positive energy, even they get infected with the virus, they don't get sick. Therefore, an effective immune system needs us to be aware of what we need to do for ourselves. Our immune system has to be a balanced system in order to be fully effective. There are humoral and cyto balance, Th1 and Th2 balance, Th17 and Treg balance, to just name a few of the balances in the immune system. Any introduced factor into the system could disrupt the balance, which is why immunology is more useful in diagnostics instead of therapeutics. The best immune system is called innate immunity, which is the natural inner part of our own body. The innate immunity is not disrupted or manipulated. It's our body's natural response to defend. To get the innate immunity work most effectively, we need to get our body fit the energy in nature. We need to be aware of the energy quality of the inventions. Without this knowledge, even though we practice exercise and a healthy diet, we still get cancer and virus infections. The immune system balance comes with the mind and body balance. Both the physical balances and the mental balances are within one balance of energy. After all, it's the balance between us and nature. That's all for today. We talked about the key point in immunity. We learned some lessons from the Centenarians. It is not about genes, exercise, lifestyle. It's about how to coexist with the nature. Thanks for listening and watching. See you next time.